Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the 5 easy ways to make $100 online. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on the 5 easy ways to make $100. If you are excited and ready to learn more about the 5 easy ways, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. It is possible to make passive income online, and it usually takes a long time to become financially independent. Many people want an easy way out to make $100 in a short amount of time. That could also happen. So in this video, I will show you 5 ways to make $100 online. 1. Sell photos. Whoever likes taking pictures should think about selling them. Now you can upload pictures to stock photo platforms and make money from them. 2. Write articles. Even if you don't want to run your own blog, you can still make money by writing. Online sites like Textbroker and Content.de give you the chance to make money with your own writing. 3. You can sell things online. You can quickly and easily make money by selling things you no longer need on sites like eBay or eBay Classifieds. This is how you can make money quickly. 4. Affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to make money on the internet is through affiliate marketing. It's also a good way to make money on the internet. Also, you don't need to have your own website. Instead, you can also make money with affiliate marketing on your social network profiles. Example, Amazon affiliate. 5. Paid service. There are a lot of websites that will pay you to take service. All you have to do is make money on an online paid service site and take service. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the 5 ways to make $100 online. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.